Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Side dishes are very special because they alone have the power to enhance or complement the taste of the main dish. As we all know, chutneys belong to one such powerful category and are very basic for Indian tiffins. In fact, without them, we would never enjoy our idli, dosas, bondas like we always do. So today I'm going to show you a simple yet extremely flavorful red chutney that goes very well with any kind of tiffin. So let's get started and check it out. Here I have all the ingredients for making this spicy kara chutney. To a pan, add 3 teaspoons of oil. Next, add 3 medium-sized onions roughly chopped. Next, add 2 cloves of garlic. Now because these are quite large, I've cut them into 2. Next, add 2 medium-sized tomatoes roughly chopped. Next, I'm adding about 12 Byadgi chillies. Now these chilies give you a nice color and also adds a lot of spice to the chutney. If you don't have these, you can just use the regular red chilies that are available for you. Add a teaspoon of rock salt and mix everything well. Now if you don't have rock salt, you can just use the regular table salt. Next, add a piece of tamarind. I've just gently ripped it into small bits. This will give a nice tangy flavor to the chutney. Transfer the ingredients to another plate and cool them completely. Once the ingredients have cooled down, I've transferred the ingredients to the mixer jar. Add little water at a time and grind everything together till you get a nice fine paste. So now we've ground the chutney. This is ready. Next, we're going to temper a few ingredients. To the pan, add a little oil. Add 1 teaspoon of Chana Dal, 1 teaspoon Urad Dal, half teaspoon mustard seeds. Next, add 1 teaspoon Cumin Seeds. Once the mustard seed starts splattering, add 1/4 teaspoon of hing, that is Asafoetida powder, and a few curry leaves. Just mix everything well. Now transfer the ground chutney to the pan and mix all the tempered ingredients along with it. You can see how rich and colorful the kara chutney is. It's a great and spicy chutney that you can enjoy with any tiffin of your choice. I've made some hot steaming idlis to enjoy with this chutney. Steaming hot, soft, spongy idlis are one of my favorite tiffins and I like to enjoy it with this nice kara chutney. Since many of you had asked me for the recipe from my recent Rava Dosa video, I decided to show this to you guys. I'll give you a couple of links in the description for other chutney and tiffin recipes. You can check them out as well. So there you go, you can instantly prepare this and have it with any of your yummy tiffins. Do try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now, so you can place your orders on 21frames.in.